It's the holiday season, and you have been searching for the perfect side dishes to round out your holiday table. Here at Acaiguy Cooks, it's our holiday side dish series, and today's video is smoked Gouda and Andouille sausage cornbread dressing. So let's get started. Let's prepare the buttermilk cornbread. Set your timer for 25 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Now let's prepare the bread croutons. Set your timer for 10 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Now let's prepare the Andouille sausage. Time for the vegetables. Now let's prepare the dressing. Set your timer for 30 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Today's cornbread has its roots in the southern United States. Native people in the Americas first cultivated corn. Cornmeal is made from corn, and thus cornbread was later developed. Let's make the spicy honey butter. Set your timer for a final 15 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. That looks great right out of the oven. Topped with flat leaf parsley. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. Add a bit more parsley. And of course that spicy honey butter. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the base of cornbread and savory sausage is elevated by the smoked Gouda, and I love the tartness of the Granny Smith apple, and that spicy honey butter rounds out the overall flavor profile. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. And your holiday table looks amazing. Happy holidays. Stay with us. Watch the next video.